So students, what is this? This is puppet of human skeleton. You can see the backbone like this, right? You can see the movement by the limbs. Very good.
Now you can see how our body moves with the help of the four main parts of our skeletal system. Today I am going to show the model of hinge joint. This is the model of hinge joint or hands. Help our fingers to move.
How? Show it. Show it by moving your fingers. Okay, so this is the example of which joint?
Hinge joint.
Hinge joint. Okay, thank you.
Good morning friends, we have made this to show our backbone. These having 33 bones which is called vertebrae. This is made of these small bones combined together to form a vertebral column. Thank you.